Okay, check this out. This is not going to be an in-depth video, but this is a video to demonstrate that the Ryobi's 2300 generator inverter are capable of running a 15,000 BTU AC unit. Okay, so like I said, I'm not no influencer or I go in there. I just cut it simple. Right now, we are running 75-inch 4K player and the sound bar. Okay, so we're running that fan and that fan as well. Okay, so one thing I did discover is that on those very hot days, I gotta remove that cover because that inverter will get hot and it'll trip the system. So that's something that I take as a precautionary measure. I take the cover off, and the cover's right there actually, and I just keep it cool. Right now I don't have it in central air. I just have it boosting through here. Okay, the reason why that looks like that is because with the little cover here, it doesn't let the airflow or the fan blower work as great as it does without the little vent here. So I cut it off, and I have actually a stainless steel metal plate that I put here, and then it'll go through my central air. Okay, so right now let's turn this on. There it is, it's on. It says 68, 69, right? So let's go here. So you can see it's dropping 57, 55, 54, 53, 52 degrees, okay? Look at that. So it'll drop down to 52 degrees. What does that mean? That it stays nice and fresh in here, especially with the fans blowing. I know I'm rushing through this. So we have two Ryobis 2300 running in parallel, supplying all the power we need to run what I just said that we're running. Your whole entertainment system, AC unit, two fans, and those two Ryobis in parallel, they work killer. They work killer. Because when it gets out here in Alpine up to like 99, 102, it stays nice in here. Now, let's go outside and check them out. Oh, one more thing. Let's look at what we're using. So check it out. This is not correct. I don't know why the generator is doing that right now. But right now, one is running 952, and the other one 966, 959, 951. The numbers are perfect. They're sharing the load between both of them. I mean, if you have one that's running 1100 and the other one 600, you got a problem. Okay, that's something to look for. That means that one of the generators, the inverter part, might not be working properly. So 954, 955, great numbers. You know. Oh, and I actually even charging a battery. I was charging a battery. So let's go ahead and disconnect that because we're done. Okay, now let's go step outside. If they get nothing to prove, they will be dead within hours. And here we go. Once again, I apologize. I'm not the greatest narrator or video composer, so bear with me. I just get it done. So here we go. We have the 2 generators right there running in parallel. I did have this kit right here from Amazon. Complete garbage. It'll overload. The wiring is so small that it's not that it surges. It's just it won't meet the demand. It won't, the wattage won't flow properly because that cable is so small. This is a Predator parallel kit, and you don't have no surging problems, and and no underload either. Because if you get an underload, you overload, and then it's a headache. Okay, you got to reset everything and whatnot. I know I ran through this, but bear with me. So this is my setup. This one right here, this one just gave out on me, but it's the inverter part of it. So I'm ordering that part because then I toggle between all 3 of them. What else can I say? They're beasts. I think that one has 4,800 hours on it. This one has 35, and only because that inverter part failed on me, but I'm gonna fix it and I'll end up putting more hours on it. This one has it's very low hours. I don't even know, but 4,800 hours on that one, almost 5,000 hours. What can I say? Spark plugs, NGKs, 91 octane. Check your oil all the time so it keeps running smooth. Damn, I crunched a lot of info in a little short time. Anyways, Ryobi's and parallel kit, they do the job. And I'm out.